Good morning, guys. Welcome to another vlog. We got Noah eating his pancakes. We got Eddie and the crew over there.
Oh, yeah.
Currently just sipping on some this is orange juice, right? Freshly
Yeah,
squeezed? Freshly squeezed orange juice. Look at that. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see it, but sun's out. Look at that beautiful view behind us. I don't know if you guys can see it, but volcano. I don't know if you guys... Let's see if you guys can see.
I'll just show it later.
We'll show it later. But there's a massive volcano right there behind us. But today's going to be an awesome day. What are we doing today, Noah?
We're going waterfall hunting.
We're going to go waterfall hunting today. We got Eddie.
Yeah. Gonna be our tour guide.
Amazing hospitality. He's gonna be our tour guide today. He's gonna show us all the waterfalls, all the cool spots. It's gonna be awesome, man.
Yeah,
I can't wait to go.
super excited.
I can't wait to go, man.
All right, we all ready to go? We got the bag on, all the towels in there, GoPro, this camera, phones, what have you. Had to take off our necklaces because the monkeys will actually steal them if you don't, because they like shiny stuff. So let's go find these waterfalls. Catch you there. Looking big, bro. Jump in it. Ready? Yeah.
They think there's spiders in the water. This is amazing. I love this. Beautiful views. We see like a Komodo lizard up there. You've probably seen that already. I don't know if Noah got it or not, but Eddie. Hey. He's the jungle boy. Oh yeah. Send it, bro. Oh yeah. They got like little spiders. What are those gliders called?
The waterfall?
Yeah.
Tandless waterfall.
Tandless waterfall. There you go.
Hidden waterfall.
Beautiful.
Hidden waterfall.
Beautiful.
Alright, we just stopped the first waterfall to grab some fat Instagram photos too, because that's part of the game out here. Isaiah's just getting his shoes on with that Gucci towel. And we're on to the next one. We'll see you there.
All rice.
Yeah, right.
Hello. This is all still rice, eh?
Yeah, still right.
Just white rice?
Yeah, white rice. Oh.
Yo, hold on one sec. Is it beautiful? This is a park for the kids. And Noah just said there's something beautiful. Let's check it out. Let's see. Oh my god.
How nice is that, bro?
Oh my god.
It's just so turquoise, so blue. It's amazing.
This is it! Oh my gosh, it's so cool.
Welcome to Lombok, baby!
I think that's finished.
So this sign right here, in the blue lake, is about missing someone's girlfriend.
That's deep. Apparently this means
Missing my
The man
ex-girlfriend.
is saying he misses his girlfriend.
His ex-girlfriend. That's rough.
Do you miss your girlfriend?
So there's swing here too. And same thing. If you want to catch us on Instagram, these pictures are all going to be up there. Add us on Snapchat too. All this stuff will be up earlier. But it's just gorgeous. Let's go for a quick little swing. What do you say? And these guys are here to ask us if we wanted to go paddling in their boat. So, of course. Time to leave this gorgeous place. The next one. Eddie, we going to a waterfall?
Yeah, waterfall now.
Waterfall next. All right. Gorgeous. So they were catching little minnows there as well. And what I was told is they just they fry the minnows and just eat them whole like a French fry or a chip.
Yeah.
So that's what they're gonna do once they can eat after 6 tonight, because it's Ramadan. And yeah, we'll catch you guys at the falls.
It's papaya trees. Big.
That's a papaya.
Airlines often see papaya.
I've never seen a papaya tree, but
Dude, that is
this one's massive. Ones you would get in
Oh my.
Australia or Canada are like
You wanna go to see
half that
papaya?
size.
You can have a look for it.
That's okay. You want to see it?
I mean, it's up to you guys.
I think it's okay, as long as we can see it from here. That's crazy though.
Thanks, Eddie.
It's like the size of my forearm.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Hi. Cuties. I can hear the waterfall, bro.
I can too. This is sick. Oh,
We're getting there. Oh, here we go. Yeah, it's just like pathway but bushwhacking at the same
I
time.
almost just ate it though. Oh wow.
Oh, I hear it. We're getting close,
Yeah,
guys.
we're getting close.
We're getting close.
Oh yeah. She's light. That's light work. That's
Yes. Now this is a secret waterfall. Look at this one. Just hidden away in the corner there. Oh my goodness. We definitely had to do some bushwhacking to get here. Lots of sickle cutting, lots of jumping through the water on rocks and stuff, trying not to fall and get wet. So far we're doing pretty good. Maybe this might be an Eddie special, who knows, bro?
Yeah. Honestly.
If you want to find this, I have no idea where we are, but Eddie does, so if you want to come here, make sure to talk to him. Yeah, we'll give you all his like his homestay information and stuff, because I mean, it's fantastic. It's no luxury thing, so if you guys are looking for that, probably not the best, but if you want to experience what it's like to travel and live with Indonesian people in Lombok, it is perfect. The food is all authentic and gorgeous. Oh, the curry last night was amazing. Some jungle pancakes this morning, some coffee, freshly orange juice, just amazing. But anyways, let's get in this freaking waterfall. Yeah?
Yeah, baby.
Yeah. Just drop their stuff down here, but just take a look. This is a totally secluded, sorry, that spider web's on me, secret waterfall. That has some heat. That's down weather. Over here, my lady! So this is where we just were down there. And we climbed up here in the bare feet.
There we go.
Jungle man, look at him go. He's already jumped off. Okay. Good, bro. He's alive. Yes. 2, 1. jumped in.
Oh, that was awesome. The whole
Yes.
crew jumped, the whole crew.
There was some leeches, so we had to do a fake leech check.
Yeah.
See if there was any blood suckers on us.
But we're chilling. There's
We're
none
good?
on me, none on Noah. There's like 3 on Caleb, but we got him off. None on these guys. We're
So
good.
we're good. And moving on to the next spot.
Yeah.
This is so sick.
I know. Ah!
What are you looking at, bro?
Looking at this cute little monkey. I don't know if you guys can see him, but let me zoom in on his little cute ass, you know what I'm saying? Boom, there he is. Look at him. Look at him. What a cutie.
This one also closed. Oh. So not many people lucky to see the black monkey.
Oh man, they're just going.
There.
Where?
Yeah, they're moving.
Oh yeah.
Come here.
Thank you.
This is a watch.
They see a black monkey. Oh, right there.
Alright. There. This one here.
Oh. That's crazy.
Yeah, they're bigger, hey?
They are bigger.
It's bigger, so like.
And you said they're rare, hey? Look, we made it to the next spot, bro.
Yeah, this is like a little swimming pool, man.
Literally. Look at that. Oh my god. You got like a mini little river that goes down, and you just got that. Oh. Another spot we made it to, baby. This is crazy. This is honestly crazy.
Okay, look at this. Little water slide. Hi. I love it. That's where we're staying. We're back.
Hey, we back.
It's been quite a day, bro.
Makes I ate it.
Yeah, I know. I gotta look down and at the camera at the same time. And hopefully we can do this.
You're straight. Yeah, right there.
Yeah, I got that one, don't worry. Anyways, it was a fantastic day so far. We'll see what we got cooking up tonight for dinner, because I'm sure it'll be amazing. Maybe some nasi goreng, who knows?
Lunch, bro.
Huh?
I said hopefully lunch.
Hopefully, they don't eat it right now because they're in Ramadan, but if there's lunch, oh, I will munch it.
What?
I said if there's lunch, I'm gonna munch it.
Munch what?
Lunch, mate.
Oh, lunch, yeah.
If there is some, because they're in Ramadan, so they won't eat right now, but we'll see.
Yeah.
Anyways, we'll pick it up there.
Oh, sorry. Ooh. Nah, we're back. So basically, you've seen us come back, so now we probably just spent about a couple of minutes. We've just been chilling with Eddie and his family. They supply us with some snacks and stuff as well. Now I'm just, Noah's still still a shower for me, so I can't take a shower, but we're all just gonna take showers now. We're all gonna kind of hang out. It's around 4 o'clock right now, so we're probably just gonna hang out, get cleaned up, and then by then hopefully dinner will be ready.
Cheers.
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 That was hot. That was hot, yeah.
Ah, you made it. You are in Lombok now.
Ah. That's hot. Oh. There's Kate. Woo!
How you feeling, bro?
Just a little zest, nothing insane though. Just a little zest.
That was the least spicy one I've had today, by far.
No, I had one that was way less spicy.
Every time I swallow, it gets hotter and hotter slowly.
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah.
It's not spicy.
Mine was, yeah, it was a little bit.
A little bit.
You?
No, not really. Just a little bit.
This is the wine, the rice wine.
Oh. Hey guys, it's Eddie. Finally nighttime. We just had a fat meal. Kayla's chilling. Noah's grinding. Right now we're just finished eating finished eating dinner. We had mee goreng with some like spicy sauces, and we had like a fruit. What was the juice called again?
Yes, we called wait, almost. We call it this not juice. What we call oh my god.
He forgot. Oh no.
Almost.
No
jungle juice. No jungle juice.
Not jungle juice.
No jungle juice.
Anyway,
yeah.
it was really sweet, super
No
good.
juice.
Eddie gave us a wonderful adventure today
Yeah.
with his uncle as well.
Yeah. My uncle
Beautiful waterfall chasing. We've seen beautiful lakes, views, animals. You guys saw the monkeys. We saw a rare type of monkey today, right?
Yeah,
the black monkey, which is very rare. That was cool. We got to saw. And yeah, it was a wonderful day. Noah had a nap. I took a shower. Kayla's been chilling. We've all been doing good. Probably just gonna take it easy now for the rest of the night. We got the music going. He's gonna get us some wine. We'll have a chill night.
No, white wine. That's not the red
There
wine.
it is. Oh, there it is. There it is. Speaking of the devil, baby. But yeah, that's gonna do it for the video today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. We'll catch the next one. Sure.
Okay, I know what it feel like to be young and single. You know the life when your pockets got a bunch of singles. You know taking double shots